In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite Milwaukee tools I use for welding and fabrication. Yeah, one tool every welder needs is a grinder. And I have a couple of these grinders. And with these 6 amp hour batteries, they seem to go pretty good. And I also like to use these flap discs for most everything. They're just easier to control and you don't gouge the metal and they're safer to use. And these Milwaukee grinders, they have as much power as a corded one. Yeah, and I'm planning to use these new Forge batteries in the grinder because that's the tool I use the most. And sometimes when I do big jobs, I have to charge the battery several times. All my other Milwaukee tools, they go all day on one battery. Another tool I couldn't live without is a mag drill. And the part number on this one's 4272-21. I had the previous model and it had some issues and they corrected all the different things that I didn't like about the first model in this one. And with these mag drills, you use these annular cutters. Yeah, and these annular cutters drill real nice. And I also made a stand for this mag drill. And a lot of people don't seem to understand how this works. It's so if you put some small part on here, you can clamp it down and drill it. You don't clamp the stand to the table. There's just no reason to do that. Yeah, and this is how it would go in the stand. And what's nice about this mag drill is you can put a regular drill chuck in here without having to take it apart like the previous model. Yeah, and if you work with metal, another great tool to have is one of these metal cutting circular saws. And this little cutoff tool, I haven't had it very long, but it has a lot of power. I'm easily able to cut pieces out of floorboards on cars and everything else with it. And it also has a switch on it so you can make it going forward and reverse so the sparks go a certain way. Another great tool is what they have. They call this the hacksaw. It's a 2719-20, and these are real lightweight where you can use it with one hand. A sawzall is a lot heavier. And another tool you will have to have if you work with metal is a regular drill. And these small drills have pretty good power. Another good tool to have is their straight die grinder. It's a 2486-22, and you can put these cut-off discs in it. That's what I use it for. You can also put like carbide burrs and other stuff in it. Another great tool to have is their new right angle die grinder. It's a 3485-22, and I use it with these roll lock attachments, and you can put all kinds of sanding discs or these Scotch-Brite pads in it. And this new one has LEDs on it. The trigger's been redesigned. It only takes one wrench to change the attachments. I normally just keep the roll lock attachment in it all the time.